Good day, everyone. This is Firas from Jasmine Restaurant Management System, and today we are going to speak about delivery companies' orders. If you have subscribed with Talabat, Carriage, Rafiq, Sununu, Uber Eat, and you want to handle those orders through Jasmine Restaurant Management System, this video is to watch and to learn how to handle those orders. Keep with me, I'll come back in 1 second. Let's start with how to define the delivery companies. So we go to Jasmine portal, and inside Jasmine portal we go to more settings, parameters, and delivery companies from here. Once we click on there, we are inside delivery companies management, and from here we can create a new delivery company. So we enter the company name, Talabat, for example, and here it will come the percentage that Talabat will take from us. In Qatar, it will take 19%. In other countries, maybe it is 25, 23. Depends on the country and the contract that you have with this delivery company. Confirm. Let's add another company, for example, Rafiq, and for example, they are taking 17% and confirm. Now we have two companies inside the system, and as you see, the system directly created a receivable account for them and fees account for them. So for your accountant, all the orders that we sell through Talabat, the revenue will come in the receivable on this account. Any order we sell through Rafiq, all the revenue will come into this receivable account. Once we receive the check or the transfer to our bank account, we can deduct the 17%, the 19% from the revenue account, and we can put the expenses in the fees account here, and then the money will go to our bank account in either cases, in the two cases. Now, after we see how to define here, if you want to change the percentage for any reason in the future, you just need to click here and change the 17% into, for example, 18% and confirm. And now it is changed, and you can change whatever you want in this screen. After we define the delivery companies in the portal, now we can sell through Jasmine POS module. Keep with me, I'll explain how to do that in 1 second. Here you can see that I am logged in into the Jasmine POS module. I'm logged in as the cashier. And if we want to bunch an order for the delivery companies, we will use this function of the POS system. So once we choose the delivery companies, if we want to open a new order, we click on this open button, and then a dialog will show up for us. And from here, we will choose the delivery company. So we define two delivery companies. Let's say that this order is coming from Talabat. And here you enter the reference number of the order coming from Talabat. Let's say, for example, 1,250,487. Any reference number, we have to put it here. Is very important to put the reference number. Some of my customer enter the last 4 digit of this order, or the 5 last digit. It's just something that you can refer to if there is a dispute between you and the company. This reference number is very important also for the driver. So when the driver of Talabat comes to you, he will ask for the order of 4874. And in the kitchen, they will see that this is coming from Talabat and this is the reference. The dispatcher, the guy who is preparing the items inside the plastic bag or inside the packaging, he will refer to the order from Talabat 4874. These two fields are optional, but really very important for us because here we can enter the customer and name and the customer mobile number that is ordering through Talabat because really this is your customer, this is a restaurant customer, this is not Talabat customer. And here is very important to enter the name of the customer and maybe the mobile number coming onto from the order of Talabat, for example, whatever the mobile number, and then you can confirm. Why we enter those? Because those are assets for us. We can communicate with them, we can call them, we can send SMS, WhatsApp for them in the future because they are our customers. They are not Talabat customers. They are only using Talabat for delivery, but they are loving our food. They searched for us on Talabat and they placed an order for us through Talabat. So we need to enter those. Once we say confirm, this is the order and the last four digits is 4874. Now we can add, for example, appetizer 1, pasta with white sauce 1. We can go to pizza, they want 2 with extra cheese, and we say confirm. So now we have one order of talabat and we send it to the kitchen. And in the kitchen order, there will be order details you see here. And this is the order reference number 12504874. This is important because using this receipt, they will put it in the package and they will give it to the driver of Talabat who is coming and asking for this order. After we send to kitchen, we have the option to print the check and put this check on our bags because as I said, this is a customer of ours. Even that the driver is from Talabat, even that the customer is paying to Talabat and then Talabat will give us our money, but this is our customer. It's a good habit that you print the check and put it on the bag. So in the check, you will see that this is your logo, this is your company name or restaurant name and the branch. It's very important to have it here. Also, everything is shown grilled halloumi, pasta with white sauce, and vegetable pizza with extra cheese. Everything is explained here in the check. After we print the check, we can close from here. When we press the close button, the system will not ask us for payment method because already we know that the money is with Talabat. So once I press the close button here, only the accountant check will be printed on the receipt printer. And after that, the order will disappear from here and it will not show because our money is already with Talabat. Let's open a new order for Rafiq. We choose Rafiq. We put the reference number 1458. Customer name now, let's say Muhannad, and his mobile number is 998877744 and confirm. This is a new Rafiq order. He wants 7 up 1. He wants pasta with red sauce, only 1. He wants pizza small with extra onion and confirm. So this is an order for Rafiq. We send it to kitchen to be prepared. The kitchen will receive this order and this is where it shows Rafiq 14578. This is very easy and you can train yourself that every order coming from delivery companies, we have to punch it into the system because it will help us for statistics, It will help our accountant to ask and request our payment on time. If there is a dispute, if there is any canceled order, we can handle it from the system. Everything will come from the system. Again, we print the check, and this time it is coming from Rafiq 14578, and this is the details of the order and the total from here. One of our customers, restaurant, asking, should we put the delivery charges inside the order? And the answer is no. You don't need to put the delivery charges on this order because you are not receiving delivery charges. Talabat or Rafi, they are receiving the delivery charges. And sometimes they waive these delivery charges for any reason. Let's say, for example, they have a promotion, they can give free delivery to their customers because it's a loyal customer or because it is near the restaurant. So you don't need to put any delivery charges here inside this order. You just punch only the items that are coming from Rafi or Talabat through their website or their portal. After you print the check, you can close it from here. It will print. This is the accountant copy. You have to keep it in the restaurant. Don't put it on the bag and send it to the customer. That was how we use our function of delivery companies, how to open and handle orders coming from delivery companies like Talabat, Rafi, Sununu, Uber Eat, etc. Thank you for being with us. I hope to see you again in other videos. Keep safe and goodbye.